Welcome back. You're in a safe space now. There is nothing you need to do but be here. If you've picked up the moods and tensions of everyone around you, know that this energetic weight is not your own. It is simply a noise you've been listening to for too long. I'm Rhea Rivers. In these next few minutes, we will reclaim your space, sealing your energy so you can finally feel like yourself again. Take a slow breath in. Exhale fully, letting the day's static fall away from your skin. Breathe in, pulling your energy back from every person and place you visited today. Exhale, settling into the quiet center of your own being. Imagine yourself standing at the top of a quiet, moonlit mountain. The air is thin, crisp, and perfectly still. Below you, the world is just a distant map of lights. Up here, no one can reach you unless you invite them. If this space feels safe to you, you're welcome to return to this channel anytime. This is a sanctuary for the empathic soul, where your boundaries are restored. Take a slow breath in, and as you exhale, see a soft, violet light beginning to glow around you. Walk toward the center of a stone circle. As you stand in the middle, the moonlight catches the stones, creating an invisible, shimmering shield. This shield is permeable to love but solid against chaos. Breathe in, feeling your personal space expand. Exhale, watching the gray fog of other people's needs evaporate into the night. As the stars sharpen above you, you realize, I am the gatekeeper of my own peace. I am allowed to be unavailable to the world. Repeat in your mind, I reclaim my energy from all people and all places. Sit down on the cool grounding stone. Repeat gently, my boundaries are my medicine. I am safe within myself. Notice how the mountain doesn't ask the wind for permission to stand tall. Repeat softly, I do not have to carry what does not belong to me. The violet light around you becomes a warm, protective cloak. A final realization arrives. Protecting my energy isn't selfish. It is how I honor the light I was born to carry. Take one last full breath in, and a long, unforced exhale, sealing this shield around you. When you're ready, return gently, carrying this mountain stillness and your protective cloak with you. If this journey supported your peace, subscribe now to the R&R Story Meditation community. Don't leave your nervous system to chance. Join us to master your sensitivity and protect your light every single day.